competition. Gimbal's gone sideways. Oh no. Sorry about that. I think I may be a bit deaf now after that. But yeah, awesome. Funny thing is, guys, this were like €15 to get in for one day. Right. €50 to get in for 2 days on a premium package. Shut up. And €50 for 3 days. But I mean, you can just stand on the road down the side of it, watch the cars come in. I don't think they're waving at us, but anyway, pretty expensive to go in, and the thing is, the cars come and go all day.
Marcus, well, that was pretty good myself.
What?
So you're out 3 days.
I don't know what you're on about, mate. Cars come and go all day though, but you do get like food and drink with the package, but I mean, is it really worth it unless you are like a real petrol head? Like,
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, 3 days you get like unlimited food and drink, I believe. I'm not entirely too sure. And you get access to like, all the cars. They've got shows going on at the night as well, like rock and roll sort of stuff. Probably is worth it, yeah. But I mean, you can stand on side of the road, watch the cars come in. Then there's a bit that gates open, you just walk through and you can have a look at some of the stores down there, some of the Harleys as well. Got another car trying to come in, and I think there's a...
How many of them you bought?
And there's a classic Corvette up the top there, I think. I don't know. I think he's decided to put there. Oh, I think that's a Cadillac. Sophie's still going. Oh, nice little Cadillac there. I went to say a Cadillac Escalade, but I'm not entirely too sure. Classic 4 Crown Vic State Trooper Patrol there. And you got this beauty of a car. That is dope. And of course the Chevy just back there. Mustang there. This is so annoying, like you honestly do not know where to film, because quite literally stuff coming from each direction. Some cars coming in now.
Porque hay tantos coches. Puto caso. Dile que se puede estar a cuánto vale. 15 euros. Que me da igual que pregunte. Perdone. Perdone. ¿Ah? ¿Qué? ¡Hostia! No, eso es más falso que...
That's nearly just fell over.
Amigo. 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 ¿Cuánto vale la entrada? ¿Y por qué hay tantos coches? ¿Qué? Ah. ¿Qué dice? ¿Cómo que va a ser esta ciudad? Claro. Sí, a lo
Probably both,
este
I think.
creo que fue este.
Yeah, I think the stuff down the middle there is possibly oil.
Either oil or petrol.
Oil or petrol, I don't know, but
Inside the outside it was oil.
yeah, possibly oil. I mean, poor lads just nearly went us over tit. Don't you wear me hat, that suit you.
No, take a picture, Marcus. Take a picture. Hey, oops.
No. Right guys, we're going to move down to where we were this morning, see if we can get any more film. See you in a jiffy. Well, see you in the next video actually. Smash the like, smash subscribe. Love you all.